So this is the chicken I'm using. I do have 2 packets, and it is going to be a lot left over, so the rest I'm going to use for chicken quesadillas for the next day. So now that I have it in a bag, I'm going to put like 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, I did about like 4 tablespoons of oil. So now I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of this chicken seasoning, and then I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of this rotisserie chicken. This I can never find at Walmart, but I do find it at Brookshires, and the other one I find this at Walmart. Now I'm sprinkling the rotisserie chicken. So now you just mix all of this in here, and you can do this with your hands, but I really don't like touching raw chicken, so that's why I put it in this bag. And with the other packet of chicken, I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, I already have the stove on. I have it on like low, medium. And I'm just gonna start placing the chicken on the pan. So I do like my chicken like on the crispier side, so I leave it on each side for like 5 to 8 minutes. So this is what it's looking like after like 8 minutes. So I'm just gonna flip it over and do another 8 minutes. Okay, so once the chicken is done, I usually put it on a plate with aluminum foil and cover it, but I don't have aluminum foil, so I'm just gonna put it in this pot. And I'm gonna do the rest of this. So I went ahead and roasted 4 poblano peppers and 1 jalapeno. So I'm gonna leave them here to rest and have them sweat, and then I'm gonna peel them, and then I'm gonna take the seeds out. So these are the 4 poblanos that I peeled and took the seeds out, and this is the jalapeno that I'm using, and I'm gonna actually cut it in half and leave the seeds on that one. And you can use serrano peppers, but I didn't have any, so I'm gonna use the jalapeno. So in here, I'm going to start cooking the spaghetti. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of sea salt. And I'm going to add a bay leaf. And I'm going to add 1 pound of spaghetti that I cut in half. So I'm going to let that cook until it's ready. So in the blender, I'm going to go ahead and add all the peppers. I added 8 ounces of sour cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of milk, 2 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a cup of cilantro. Okay, so now we're gonna blend everything together. Okay, the spaghetti is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water. So in the same pot that I boiled the spaghetti, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add the green sauce. Once it starts simmering, I'm going to turn it off. On a different pan on low heat, I'm going to go ahead and add about like 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, I'm going to go ahead and add the spaghetti. I'm going to go ahead and mix it really well. This pan is a little too small, but we'll make it work. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add the green sauce now. And again, I'm going to try to mix this carefully. So in here I have the chicken that I cooked. So you can either cut this into pieces or you can shred it, which I'm going to do with this. I think it's like a meat chopper. And this is so much easier than shredding it with your hands. And then I'm just gonna top it with queso fresco. And I'm gonna have this with my favorite drink, cherry Dr. Pepper, 0 sugar. Oh, poor baby, he fell asleep. Okay, now that I'm done eating, it's time to clean the kitchen. Everyone's favorite part.